Hey developers, how are you doing guys? Welcome back to Developers. My name is Amin. Today I'm here to talk about how we can use event listeners in our website to make better experience for our clients. Do not forget to subscribe my channel and stay with me until the end of our video. Now let's go. Welcome back to the course. We now know how we can use map on list and props destructuring and some basic parts in our React.js tutorial. But now, as I said, we have event listeners and how we can make our website alive, for example, by clicking on a button or hovering on a card to do something happen in our website. So I want to start with our book component here, and I want to write button, an HTML element with type. Its type is button, and the name of our button is simple example. And as you know, we should write an attribute for our event listeners here. It should be in camel case, as you know, and it's unclick. The second step is putting and writing an handler for our unclick. So write here and handler here, click handler for our button. It should be our function, and I wanna alert something here for our handler, devonless. So we can put this click handler on our unclick, and when we save it, we have a button here. If we click on our button, we can see an alert here. So now we click on it and we have an alert with devonless content. For each of cards, we have the same result. It's called reference one to passing handler to our unclick. The second way is inline function. I want to use this heading one, unclick here, and inline function for our event listeners is like this, and I want to use console like, for example, title. And when we go back for our bigger screen and go for our inspect, when we click on our title here, we can see the result here. We have the first card title, the second one, and the third one like this here. It's called inline function. But the other point that we should refer to that is making the other button here and put the name complex example, and I want to remove this handler and make the other handler here const complex handler. It's the name of our handler, and put our function and console like something. I want to pass an argument to our handler, it's author, and I want to show the author in our console. But how we can pass? Of course, we should write our handler name here, and the point is how we can pass the author name to our complex handler. If we do something like this and we save our project, you can see that we have three author names here before we click on our complex example. If we want to make this problem alright, we should write it like this, and when we save that and when we click on this complex example, we have the author name in our console. The last point we should refer to that in our video today is the other event listeners that called on Mouseover. I want to put it here on Mouseover. We have it here in camel case, and I want to write inline function here, console like the title. When we save it and when we go in bigger screen, when we hover our mouse on our card, we have title right down in our console, the second and the third one. It's all about listeners in React.js tutorial. Our video is at the end today. Do not forget to subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching guys. Do not lose our next video. Be nice guys, and farewell developers.